Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Saiful Ihwan. I am from Islamic Education LEIN Ponorogo. In here I want to review this journal with the title Community Economic Development Prospect Based on Wakaf Funds. This journal, authored by Ida Martitelli, Asliani Harahap, and Zainuddin. Before I explain this journal, I want to explain the meaning of wakaf. Wakaf is a charity institution that is quite old in Islamic history. Wakaf is taken from Arabic language means al-habsu. From the verb habasa yahbisu habsan, meaning to keep people away from something or imprison. As term in Islamic Sharia, wakaf is defined as retaining property right over material object al-ain for the purpose of the giving away their benefits or benefits al-manfa'ah. Malikiyah defines wakaf, which is to make the benefit of wakaf property in the form of rent or procents such as dirhams or money for people who are entitled to certain zakat for a certain period of time in accordance with the wish of the wakaf. The first provision in Sharia regarding ownership is that property is prohibited from being owned except for exploitation. The act of owning property and not being enjoyed if carried out by every individual in the community will cause disruption to productivity and the economy. Based on this reality, the Islamic economic system tries to enforce the rules of equitable distribution of wealth among members of the Muslim community by taking very effective action. Wealth must not from a circle among the rich, but must remain in circulation among all members of society and meet the needs of all people. To realize a fair, honest, and equitable distribution of wealth, Islam prescribes positive and prohibitive action. One of instrument of distribution of economic wealth in Islam is wakaf. Wakaf in Islam includes philanthropic institutions along with zakat, infaq, and alms. The purpose of wakaf is to play a role in eradicating poverty, misery, sickness, illiteracy, so as to create an equitable distribution of wealth. Indeed, the potential for wakaf is very large to change the face of poverty in Indonesia, especially in North Sumatra. Its great potential is likely default to only one aspect, namely for the construction of mosque, madrasa, or burial grounds. There is almost no doubt to see the economic potential possessed by a very large wakaf. Based on this fact, and then come the idea to make a cash wakaf. So based if there are Muslims who want to contribute not only to land, but so wakaf money that can build this economy value in order to improve the welfare of Muslim. In the perspective of the Al-Quran, the ideal management of wakaf property, in addition to considering the necessity from an economic and business perspective, It must have a social effect that is the public interest, maslahat lil amah. Social factors that become priority parameters include in what field property is developed independently or in cooperation, if the cooperation to which party is invested, and so on. Some consideration in the management development of wakaf property are most directed towards the benefits of society at large. The management and development model must be in the Sharia corridor or recommend. The property is not a focus of concentration socially on management and development. Management and development of property cannot be spared from the concept to worship. One of the concepts and issue from in an effort to make wakaf a basis of development, improving the economic of the people, is through the endowment of money. Money has a very strategic position in economic traffic. Today, money does not only function as a medium of exchange, but is already considered to be part of an object that can be traded. Therefore, some scholars and not hesitate to designate money as an object of wakaf with the terms kas wakaf. Wakaf al-nuqud, which in Indonesia is translated with money wakaf, and some others translate it with kas wakaf. Wakaf in the from money is seen as one of the choices that can make wakaf achieve more result, because in this wakaf money is not only used as medium of exchange. More than that, money is a commodity that is ready to produce and is useful from the development of other economic activities. Therefore, like other commodities, endowment of money are also seen to produce something more. The development of wakaf property, especially in the form of land, especially the produce ones, is not enough just with a good will program, but more than that is a need sufficient financial support for decision intelligence and good relation with several institutions are need to provide financial support. For example, the government, Islamic banks, ZIS, IDB, and others. Management and development of wakaf property carried out by productively can be done in various ways. The productive categories that can be carried out include collection, investment, production, partnership, trade, agribusiness, mining, industry, technology development, building construction, apartment, flats, supermarkets, shops, office, education facilities, health, business that do not conflict with Sharia. Okay, from this journal we learn that wakaf is not only land, but can be money, and it can be more useful if the person who handles the wakaf make use of it. For example, wakaf land used as an investment, supermarket, and shop. Okay, until here my speak, and the last I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.